Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find wallpaper and style. And as you can see here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and in order to change the wallpaper we will have to tap on this option here. A quick disclaimer about the wallpaper colors: your device is able to take the colors from your wallpaper and apply them to the system, which is, I believe, cool option. But let's focus on changing the wallpaper. Just tap on change wallpaper and here we will be transferred to 4 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here you've got your own photos. You can set one as a wallpaper, on device wallpapers which are defaultly installed here, the solid colors and the seascapes. Let me pick something from those options, and as you can see here we've got some pretty options from which we can choose. If you want to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. So for example this one, and as you can see this is how it will look like on the home screen and the lock screen. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on this tick icon. You can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page and the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your DOOGEE T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.